It's the following morning after going to the Louisville Zoo, and we're heading to the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. But I wanted to show where I stayed for the night. It was a nice little hotel. It didn't have a pool, but it did have a gym. And it had free breakfast. And the video of the room is right when I was checking out, so I'm sorry there were towels on the floor and stuff. It was a Sunday morning, and it looks like the meters are free on Sundays. Yay! Got here so early that the gift shop wasn't even open yet.
Yeah, there was a tour before ours.
The gift shop did finally open, and decided to go in there and check it out before the tour. They did have a batting cage there, so I did decide to give that a try. It was pretty fair priced at just $2 a try, and I think you got 10 hits. You could choose between baseball or softball, and baseball went faster than the softball. I chose softball, and I did get a couple of hits. The lady told me to stand above the plate because the softball does come a little bit differently than the baseball.
I'll just delete the video because it was embarrassing.
Oh, wow.
That's 90 miles an hour.
Oh my goodness.
Here today. My name is Chuck. I'll be your tour guide as you go through. Get to see the process of bat making, things that go on. We got quite a bit going on for a Sunday this morning, so it makes it pretty good. I am a Pittsburgh Pirate fan. I enjoy losing every year. What are you guys' favorite ball teams? Louisville Slugger, just one of the products they have made through the years. We were founded in 1856. J.F. Hillary moved here from Baltimore, Maryland, set up a wood shop. And back in those days, typical products, furniture, bedposts, banisters, barrels, things like that. But then it all changed in 1884. He had a son, Bud, 17, who played baseball, so he was making his own bats. We also had a major league team here at that time, the Eclipse. So he started making bats for the Eclipse players. They started telling the other teams to go see Bud and the boys. That is how we began. So this is our 142nd year of bat production. We have made over 200 million wood bats since day one. And the one constant, the Hillary family, 5th generation is here today. So it's still family-owned, operated business. During the week, you'll always see at least one. Weekends, they come in very early, they're probably already gone home, but it's nice to have them around here. By the way, we moved here 30 years ago, 1996. This is our 4th location, the other 3 are all gone. But from 96, we've got a really nice baseball bat display back there, and then in the very back, we've got what was happening in 96, the different bands, video games, things like that back there, so it's fun. When we go on the tour, we got rules, but they're very easy. Yankee fans can follow these rules, they're so easy. How's that? Yellow lines on the floor, guys. Stay between the yellow lines, don't touch anything. You will hold a lot of product. Hold your questions till the very end, that way everybody can hear the question, hear the answer. Photography, take all the pictures you like throughout the tour. Just no flash as you go through, no videos as you go through.
So unfortunately, he did say no videos allowed inside the factory. So I did take some photos. There were bats on these racks that you could pick up and hold for each baseball player that was listed there. They were also passing these bats around to hold as well. These chute-like things going into the ceiling were taking the sawdust. They collect it and they use it at a turkey farm. At the end of the tour, you do get to pick out your own mini bat. After the tour, it was time to head home, but saw this cool mural just before leaving.